Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data, and in this video you'll learn about changing attribution models in Google AdWords. Every conversion that has been configured inside Google AdWords or imported from Google Analytics allows you to select an attribution model. This lets you control how credit is given to your campaigns, ad groups, and keywords when a conversion occurs. For example, if someone clicks on two of your ads using two different keywords, you can choose which of these receives the credit for the conversion. Let's get started and look at how we can change the attribution model for our conversions inside AdWords. Let's start by checking the attribution model that is used for an existing conversion inside Google AdWords. Let's head into our Google AdWords account. And now we need to click the Tools icon and select Conversions. Now we just need to click the name of the conversion action we want to check. At the bottom of the settings, you can see that this conversion is using the last click attribution model. This means that all of the credit for a conversion will go to the final click on your ad before the conversion occurred. When it comes to attribution for our conversions inside Google AdWords, it's important to highlight that this is about how credit is given based on people clicking your ads multiple times. This does not take into account clicks on your other marketing channels. It's 100% focused on your AdWords campaigns. So if someone performed a search, clicked your ad, then performed another search, clicked another one of your ads, and then converted on your website, then the attribution model you use assigns credit for the conversion based on the keywords, ad groups, and campaigns for those clicks on your AdWords ads. There are 6 different attribution models that you can use for your AdWords conversions. These are last click, where all of the credit for the conversion goes to the final keyword, ad group, and campaign that someone engages with. There is first click, where all of the credit goes to the first keyword, ad group, and campaign. Linear, which evenly divides the credit for the conversion between multiple clicks. Time decay, that gives more credit to the final click but continues to give credit to the preceding clicks. Position based, where 40% of the credit is given to the last click, 40% to the first click, and the remaining 20% is divided between the other clicks on your ads. And if you have at least 15,000 clicks and 600 conversions within the last 30 days, then you can also choose to use the data-driven attribution model. This model uses Google's machine learning to decide how much credit should be assigned to each click. When you're ready to move beyond last click attribution, I recommend using the data-driven model. Or if you don't have enough clicks and conversions, then time decay is a really good model to use. If you want to learn more about the attribution models you can use with Google AdWords and Google Analytics, then watch my video on attribution modeling. You can find a link to the video in the description below. Okay, so now let's head back into our Google AdWords account to change the model. We're still looking at the same conversion action, so we just need to click Edit Settings. And we can then select Attribution Model, and we can see that we can change the model used for this conversion. We can select from all of the models we just covered. And in this account, we can see we don't have enough clicks or conversions to use the data-driven model. So instead, I'm going to select Time Decay. Then I can click Save and Done. That's it. We've changed the attribution model for our conversion. You can follow the same steps we've covered for any other conversions you've configured inside Google AdWords, and this includes goals and transactions that you've imported from Google Analytics. I also want to highlight that attribution is only applied to your search and shopping campaigns, and I also recommend taking a moment to explore the attribution reports inside your account. You can find these by clicking the Tools icon and selecting Search Attribution under Measurement. And if you're just getting started with Google AdWords, then watch my video on how to get started and how to track conversions. You'll find links to these videos and more in the description below. What attribution model are you using inside Google AdWords? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, then please like it so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.